Alright, a machine for Nifty Thrifty Girl today is the white Selectronic Model 970. This is one of the 1.6 amp beasts. I believe this is the only white style that has the 1.6 amp motor. It does have the really cool feature of speed control on the top there. That's that little dial. And it does work on this machine. We have had them previously where it wouldn't engage, but this one does work. You put it up on 10, it'll fly. You put it down on 1, and it slows down. That's a nice feature if you do lots of different projects with lots of different types of fabrics. You don't have to worry about controlling your foot so much because the machine does it for you. It's a low shank machine, class 15 bobbin, 15 by 1 needles. Comes with some bobbins, a seam guide, a straight stitch foot, a zipper foot. I think it's called a felling foot. Not sure. And a satin stitch foot. Copy of the instruction manual in PDF format will be sent to you after purchase. This machine is brown, two-tone brown. Now, all previous models that we found, this model has been blue and white. This is the first one in the brown and tan that we found, so it's kind of neat. Tabletop ready, just serviced, or it can fit in any Singer cabinet or carrying case. It shares the same deck dimensions as a Singer. It does have built-in stitches, both regular and stretch. And the really cool thing about this machine is it has an interchangeable cam stack. And that goes back here behind this little door. I will demonstrate it in the photos also. But the thing is that the cam stacks are very hard to find. Occasionally you'll find them come up on eBay. I've seen them twice. And actually I've been lucky enough to grab a couple of them that I included with previous machines. But it's really cool. The cam stack just pops out. It's spring-loaded. This little thing comes with the stack, and see, as you can see, it comes out. This is the designs on the stack. So if you find the other stack, this will have different designs on it. And when you change the cam stack, you change your design plate. It's really cool. 3-level feed dogs, needle position, buttonholer, spring-loaded stitch width lever. So if you want to do creative embroidery, you can. You don't want to necessarily make the patterns that are built in. Overall, great machine. And it also has a basting stitch, which is cool. And the manual will explain to you how to do that. It entails changing this little button in the bobbin case from A to B. And when it's on B, it bastes. It's a really cool little feature. And to get to your stretch stitch, A and B up here, you have to push the reverse button to get it up into stretch. Because on your stitch length, you have to set it on A or B to actually be stretching. So you push the reverse to make your stitch length go over there. And that, of course, is all explained in the manual also. You can always email me, momsdragonwagon@gmail.com, or you can contact me through eBay. We are Nifty Thrifty Girl. If you have this machine and have questions about it, or if you need an instruction manual, we'll be glad to help with that. I'm going to show you a little bit about it. This is just a regular 2-layer sample, so I can show you how it sews. It's a very smooth running machine. Excuse me, I've got the speed set on about 8 right now, and of course I'm not depressing the foot pedal all the way because when I do, then it's hard for the camera to catch the needle. So I'm not going 100%. I want you to be able to see what's going on. Very smooth, quiet machine. It does weigh 40+ pounds. I will warn you of that. It's not a light machine at all. I need to tighten up my tension there. That was zigzag. Now let's change our design. Let's go up here to checkerboard. And you can adjust the width on this machine. Some of the decorative patterns on machines, you can't change their width, but this one you can. like the 3-step checkerboard. Very cool. Let's go up and do this one. This is like a banner. Cool design. I'm going to access one of the stretches and we'll push reverse, go over to A, switch up to A, and we'll do a pine leaf stitch. See the fabric working up and back. Cool. There's your stretch, there's your banner, there's your 3-step. Okay, we're going to take it back out of stretch and back down to straight stitch, and I'm going to do some heavy duty 6 layers of denim. You can see 6 layers of denim are just no problem at all. Beautiful, perfect stitch. Couple layers of suede leather. Nice stitch. This is 6 layers of woven upholstery with a rubberized backing. You can hear this machine's very smooth. You also get these fabric samples. This is the machine that you're buying. Very delicate 2 layers of nylon. I'm going to show you that it'll work on nylon just as well as heavy duty stuff. So my husband starts the lawnmower. So, very nice and smooth on delicate nylon. I did have to adjust my tension in a little bit. That is the white 1.6 amp model 970 Selectronic.